How's it going, my fellow YouTubers? My name's Cory. Thanks for checking out Direct Pay Marketing, and we're back with another update for the Legacy Builders program. Now, the difference between this is not another course. It's an actual hands-on training program where you get daily mentorship, where you get weekly mentorships, and you also able to go out into what they call breakout rooms and converse with other like-minded individuals and other people that's been in the online marketing space. If you're new to online marketing, you've been looking for a way to start online marketing, I say Legacy Builders program is a turnkey for that. And it's great for the person who's a newcomer and coming into the online space because you have interactive training and programs. So that way, when you feel lost and you feel like you can't move ahead because you're stuck, we actually have a mentor and a big community that you can go to and get all of your questions answered. I don't know, I always seem to flip that around and make that up, but anywho, within the Legacies Builder program, it was put together by a now newly set millionaire by using a step-by-step proven blueprint to do attraction marketing. Is the whole core base of what they teach here in the Legacy Builders program. What is attraction marketing? It's a type of marketing that's going to have your potential client and your client that resonates with you come and ask you for your information on the product and services that you have. Now, if you have a product or service and you're having trouble promoting that or learning how to articulate your message to be able to promote it, Legacy Builder is a great opportunity to get into so you can learn how to promote those other opportunities. I just want to go over into the digital growth community where today Michelle right here, she's given us a action plan for today. So this is what we should be doing. This is what our content should be based around. And she gives it every day. Right now we're in a 90-day legacy run. We're in day 81. So she gave us actions to take for the next 10 days. And what action should we be taking is included inside of the video on where you at, how to evaluate what you've been doing in the last 80 days, 81 days to see success to get to the goal of 10 grand in 90 days. Now, the thing is, if you're coachable, if you can follow simple step-by-step instructions, this will work for you. This is one of the best programs there is out right now. So if you want to check out the Legacies Builders program, I do have a link in the description. It's going to bring you to this capture page. You don't put your name and your email in, and it's going to take you over to a thank you page where my mentor Michelle's going to explain more in depth about the Legacies Builder program and what it has to offer. And if this is something that you see yourself starting in but don't have the funds, I don't want you to wrong. I'm out of the wrong place. So where I'm at, I guess I moved away from it, but we do offer a payment plan for those who want to get started today but don't have those type of funds to get started. So with the payment plans through Afterpay and Klarna, you go in there and see if you can get funded with Afterpay or Klarna and get started today with the Legacies Builders program. I'd like to see you guys on the inside. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to me here on YouTube or over into Facebook, which is down in the description also. And I'll get with you guys on the next one. That's my run. I'll catch you guys on the next one.